Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by to watch my video. In this video I'm going to be making a special type of chin chin known as 3-in-1 chin chin. This chin chin, I call it VIP chin chin because I'm going to be making it for an event, for a special party, using 3 different types of flavors. This recipe ought to be one of my secret recipe, but I'll be sharing it with you guys so that you can try it out yourself, because it is going to be super interesting. Make sure you watch this video till the end. I hope you can see all the ingredients. Let's get started. After sieving my flour in a large bowl, I add my cinnamon. You can also use nutmeg, and also add all your dry ingredients like your baking powder, and also pour in your sugar, your margarine, and also your milk powder, about 2 TBS of milk powder. Then you incorporate all your ingredients together. You make sure your margarine or your butter blends with the flour. Now let's prepare our banana. Banana is one of the natural ingredients I'll be adding to my chin chin. Here I'm using 2 medium-sized banana. You can use up to 3 medium, slightly ripe banana. Banana is rich in phytonutrients, vitamin C, and antioxidant. It also gives our chin chin a pleasant and delicious taste. Okay guys, so my mashed banana is ready. Okay, you can see these black seeds, like maybe the seed of the banana, so you have to remove them. It won't do anything to your chin chin, but if you can just remove them, it's going to be okay. Just reduce the quantity, preferably remove it with your hands. So after mashing the banana, we'll pour it in our flour. So after that, we incorporate it into the flour. Grated coconut, you can as well blend the coconut, but this is grated coconut. Mix together. So let's prepare our liquid mixture. Taking my egg, I'll pour in my peanut paste. Pour in my liquid milk. Yeah. This is a tin of liquid milk, about about 140 ml of liquid milk. You can use any type of liquid milk. About half teaspoon of flavor. You can use any flavor of your choice. Mix together. So after mixing all our ingredients, the liquid mixture, we'll pour it in. So So then we mix. We mix it very well till it forms our chin chin dough. Hope you are enjoying my video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, place your comments, and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. So you might need to add more water to this, but just make sure you add your water little by little. So guys, after mixing, this is what I have as my dough. So this is my chin chin dough. You can see the coconut on it. So we are going to allow this to rest for about 30 minutes before we start cutting. So after allowing our dough to rise, then we begin to press and cut. So lubricate your rolling pin. Lubricate it with a little quantity of flour. And you begin to press. So once our oil become hot, we pour in our chin chin and fry. Guys, isn't this beautiful? Our delicious 3-in-1 natural flavor chin chin is ready. Wow. Believe me guys, this is delicious, crunchy. I'm sure the guests at the event will keep talking about this chin chin even after the event. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, share, and turn on your notification bell so that I get notified whenever I upload new videos. See you in my next video. Bye bye.